Hi guys! Today I will show you how to set up VS Code from scratch to work with ESP32 boards using the official ESP-IDF extension. Let's get started! The first step is going to the Visual Studio Code website, downloading the software for our system and installing it. Once we open it, we go to the Extensions tab, type in ESP-IDF and install the official extension from Espressif. After the installation, the configuration process will pop up automatically. We click Start Installation and select Custom Installation. If we are missing any packages like dfu-util or CMake, you can quickly install them from the terminal. For example, using the brew install command if you are on a Mac. Next, we select our Python version. For me, it's 3.13. Then we click on our chip, which is the ESP32-S3 in my case, and continue the installation with the selected target. The installation itself will take about 10 to 15 minutes, so grab a coffee in the meantime. When it's done, we click Complete and Exit. Now we create a new folder. Let's call it ESP32-Test. We add it to our trusted folders in VS Code, select the framework version, and create a new project based on the standard Blink example. We connect our board to the computer.
If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium-Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium-Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections.
We select the port and make sure once again that our target is set to ESP32-S3. We clean the project, click Build, and then flash and open the monitor. The compilation will take a moment. And now for the best part. On the console, we see these happy messages saying turning LED on and off, but we look at the board and nothing is blinking. Why? I thought about this for a while, and it turns out my board is the version B from Waveshare, which has a different pin layout. It turned out that in this specific version, the LED is not connected to the default pin 38, but to pin 48. To fix this, we open the Menuconfig settings, we look for blink GPIO number and change it from 38 to 38. We save it, flash the board one more time. And we are done. As you can see, the LED is blinking like crazy. If you had a similar problem with Waveshare boards, now you know how to solve it.